Which of the following inequalities is correct? Now, inequalities are less than, greater than, or equal to, which is obvious if we use some Thomas Paine and look at our answer choices. Which inequality is correct? First, we have 63 ounces and 4 pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the 4 pounds to ounces. So I have to know that 4 pounds equals blank ounces. 4 pounds equals blank ounces. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. 16 ounces per pound, so 16 times 4, and that's going to equal 64 ounces. So it is not A. Now I have 40 pounds is less than 600 ounces. So 40 pounds is just 10 times greater than 4 pounds. So 40 pounds would be 640 ounces. See, now because I'm multiplying 40 times 16 instead of 4 times 16, which means I just moved my decimal point one place and placed a 0 there in the interim. Now we have 3.5 tons, and we're just comparing it. It says 3.5 tons is greater than 5,000 pounds. Well, let's check. We need 3.5 tons equals blank pounds. We need to know how many pounds are in a ton. So 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So 3 tons would be 6,000 pounds. So 3.5 tons is greater than 5,000 pounds. So we think it's this. We think. We know that one's not true. We know that one's not true. But we need to check and see. We're going to change 200 pounds to ounces. We've already said there are 16 ounces per pound. So I would just multiply 200 times 16. And it's 200 times 16. Did I do that right? Let's do this. 16 times 200. I can put these 2 zeros down here. And then 16 times 2 is 32. So 3,200. So 300 ounces is not greater than 200 pounds. So my correct answer would be this one, because 3.5 tons equals 7,000 pounds. 3.5 tons equals 7,000 pounds. But I checked every one to make sure.